Okay? So again, go flat out straight from this angle so you guys can see here what's going on. I just can't quite get this. Some of you bigger guys maybe, got leg in, this side's up to the opposite side. Above his butt, it's up in his back. Now I walk on my hands out to the side and have a leg in on. I walk. As I do that, I let my foot slide across his leg. See how I'm kneeling right in the middle of the back? Now all I have to do is push back. Now I have a sit over. Now here we are. Okay? And there's a lot of tricks in here. There's cradles, there's a lot of stuff I can do from here too. But for now, there's an easy way to open guys' hips. I get him down, I get leg in, I just can't get this lock figured out. See how everything rotates? My foot goes across his far leg when I go. I'm way out to the side, now I just push back. I'm flat-footed, I'm pinching his leg, now it's easy. Okay? Pretty easy?